Today I'm going to remove the seats on my 2004 Ford Explorer Sport Trac. We're going to go ahead and remove the front seats. The only thing you'll need is a 10mm socket and a ratchet and a T50 Torx. To start, we're just going to go ahead and scoot the seat all the way back. It's going to expose these two 10mm bolts. We're just going to go ahead and remove them. Now we're going to remove the bolts on the back. To do that, I'm actually just going to scoot the seat up. It's just these two right here. Next, I need to remove this cover, and that'll expose a T50 that's back here, just holding this in. That's the T50 that's in there. We're just gonna go ahead and use the Torx bit to remove it. Now we're just gonna go ahead and disconnect the cable right here. There's a little X cut in the carpet. Should be able to just pull it out. Here. Pull. Just like that. Now we're gonna go ahead and remove the seat. Now that we got the driver's side removed, I'm actually gonna go ahead and remove the passenger too. You'll notice the center console isn't in. I'm actually doing another upgrade, but it's the exact same process as the driver, so I'm just gonna time lapse it through. I forgot to mention, usually both sides have this cover. For some reason, only my passenger side has it. To remove it, you just kind of pull from the side right here. It should come. Now that I went ahead and finished vacuuming and doing the work that I needed to do, I'm gonna go ahead and get the seat back into place. We're just gonna go ahead and get into this place, connect that wire, get that bolt in for the seat belt or the rail, and then get the back two 10mm in. That should be good. It only goes in one way.
Those brakes?
So that's it for the back. Now we're gonna go ahead and move to the front. So in the front, all we gotta do is tighten these two 10mm. Now that these 2 bolts are in, the 2 on the back, the other one for this rail, and the cable's connected, the seat's completely installed. Same thing on the other side. I'm just gonna go ahead and time lapse it really quick so I can just get it done.